In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Coupon Audible Desktop. If you've received a coupon, promo, or gift code for Audible and you're on a computer, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so your code applies correctly and your audiobook credit or gift is added to your account. Start by opening your preferred desktop browser and heading to the Audible website. Make sure you're signed into the correct Audible account you want to use. If you manage multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're on the right one and that you're visiting the version of Audible that matches your country or region, since some codes only work in specific storefronts. Once you're on the Audible homepage, move your cursor to the top navigation and hover over the Browse option. Don't click yet, just hover. This will open a drop-down menu with different categories. Hovering is important here because it reveals the path we need without loading another page first. From that drop-down, click on Gifts. This takes you to Audible's gifting section. Even though we're not buying a new gift, this is the right place because Audible routes redemptions through the Gifts area. You'll see options for giving memberships or titles, but we're looking for the place to use a code you already have. On the Gifts page, look for the link or button that says Redeem Your Gift. It's typically near the top area of the page or clearly labeled in that section. Click it to open the redemption screen. This page is dedicated to applying codes you've received, and it's where the system will validate your coupon or gift code against your account. Now you'll see a field where you can enter your code. Type or paste it exactly as shown, including any dashes or capitalization if specified. Double check for extra spaces if you pasted it in. When you're confident it's correct, click Redeem. After a brief moment, Audible should confirm the redemption. Depending on the type of code, you might see a credit added to your balance, a specific audiobook unlocked in your library, or a membership period applied to your account. Look for a confirmation message and, if applicable, verify your new credit count or check your library to see the newly added title. If you get an error, common reasons include an expired code, a code intended for a different region, or a code that's already been redeemed. Make sure you're signed into the right account, confirm you're on the correct Audible storefront, and re-enter the code carefully. And that's it. Audible homepage, hover over Browse, select Gifts, click Redeem Your Gift, enter your code, and hit Redeem. Pause this video and follow along step by step, and you'll have your coupon applied in no time.